Okay guys, so we are go ahead and put this plumbing now. We already pressed everything. What we need to do is turn the water line, so we're gonna have water tonight. The owner wanted to know if they have a water tonight. Good now, Jay? They should be working. Sit down. Good.
Dito wala akong baba.
There you go. Good.
Hindi. Siya natin.
Domingo takas.
Hindi ito nakababa pa.
So puputulin pa yung tubo. See? Take it out. The yellow, no good. The primer bueno. Only the painting pa Home Depot, no bueno. Tanggal. Like
Man, give me the pedacito de madera.
the painting, no stick to the what?
Pedacito de madera.
Hindi ba level? Baka level naman.
Hindi, hatawin natin to para bumaba.
Hindi, baka nakabaon eh.
Hindi, wala pa. Oh, wala yan oh. Wala pa siyang kinakagat oh.
Baka sumasabi to sa tornilyo.
Sa basurahan. Pumunta ka sa labas yan. May mga peraso kahoy din. Yan oh, yung malapad oh.
Here. May pako ata ito.
Yan oh.
Oo na.
Bumababa. Ay, laki ng ibinaba.
Bumaba na.
Laki ng ibinaba oh.
May tagilid. Masok na. Maya, baka maubo yung ano yan, Jay. Yung hukap yan. Good. Tagilid, puro level, and then pro press 2 pedacito, 3 amigo.
Hindi, ito na i-press natin.
Yeah, ilagay mo muna yung level mo kung level. Tapos tama na laser. Ahora ikaw pa.
Mahulog pa rin sa same spot eh.
Pro press now. So that will return the agua. Por kababayan. The señora got a water tonight. Basta. Entra na. I think so. Baka mahubo yung the problem that baka mahubo yung you have a room. That one I think you have a room. I think you have to remove the plywood, Jay. Remove the plywood. No, remove the plywood. Remove the plywood. No, remove the plywood, Jay. Remove the plywood because you're too much high. If you remove the plywood, you're gonna lower more and it's gonna be level. Otherwise, tagilid. outside. How did you bring it in? Now. Okay. Yeah, you have more room for the.
Yan, sentro sa taba.
Okay, center down.
Yan. Okay na yan? Tingnan mo. Sa tubo sa baba. Silipin mo. Yan, sa baba. Sa tubo. Tubo. Sa baba. Yun. Pinakatiti. Hindi mo makikita.
Nakapantornilyo. You got a tornilyo. Once you put a tornilyo, you're gonna push. That's good. That's good, Jay. That's good. Press it. Press it. Ayan ang compress. You know what this one, right? It's a ProPress. This is the best machine I ever encountered. So this is, you don't need to, it's a plain blade. Go ahead. You know what this one, right? It's a ProPress. Good. Level? You put a screw. Here. Ito tornilyo. Di ba mataas yan, yung shower spout? What do you think? It's too high? Pag ipinor inches mo,
Sakto lang naman.
tingin ko mataas eh. 6 ba yung lagay ko sabi sa'yo?
6 and a half.
Mataas ka. 6 and a
6
half?
and 3/8 yan.
Mataas
Kasama
yan.
yung plywood. 6 and 3/8.
Mataas
Yung
yan.
plywood.
Yeah, palitan mo na dyan, mataas yan. Too high.